If we confess our sins, He is faithful and just to forgive us our sins and to cleanse us from all unrighteousness. 1 John 1 verse 9. You're forgiven, not because you earned it, but because mercy found you. Grace didn't wait for you to be perfect. It met you in your mess. The cross didn't just cover your sin, it crushed its power. Forgiveness is freedom. It breaks shame, silences guilt, and restores your place as a child of God. Don't live in what God has already washed away. If He has forgiven you, walk like it. Speak like it. Live like it. You're forgiven on Become the Sermon.